So here there are 4 main addition strategies that we were learning in Unit 3, okay, to add 2-digit numbers. So let us review. The first strategy was 100 chart. And we were learning the following 4 steps. How to do it, how to add. Okay, now let's pay attention. So you have equation 23 plus 45. Here you can see 23 plus 45. So first of all, to use any strategy to add 2-digit numbers, you need clearly and confidently know how many tens, how many ones. Number 23, how many tens? 2 tens, how many ones? 3 ones. This is we need for adding, okay? Then number 45, how many tens? 4 tens, how many ones? 5 ones. This is what you should know, okay? And now 4 simple steps how to use 100 chart. I start with number 23. How many tens do I need to add? 4 tens. So I go down 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again, I look how many ones do I need to add? 5. I go to the right, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I circle the answer. And the answer is 68. This is one variant, okay? And now we discuss another variant, another equation. Here you can see 65 plus 28. So again, how many tens? 6. How many ones? 5. How many tens? 2. How many ones? 8. I start with number 65. I circle number 65 on the 100 chart, okay? How many tens do I add? 2 tens. Go down. I go down. 1, 2. How many ones do I need to add? 8 ones. I go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I continue next line. 6, 7, 8. I circle the answer. 93. Okay? So here, please pay attention. If you move to the right and the line with numbers finishes, you just move to next line and continue. After 90, you go to 91 and continue. Okay? So this was 100 chart. Our next strategy is called number line. We will be solving the same equations. Okay. Now what is the strategy? Again, we need to know what we are adding, how many tens, how many ones. This is very important. Okay, I start with 23. I jump 4 tens, big jumps. We draw big jumps to show how we jump 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we may write plus 10, may not write plus 10. It's not so important for me, okay? But some students need to show me that they are adding plus 10 because they are forgetting what they are adding, okay? So it's better to show me that here you add plus 10. And what is very important in using this strategy, that students should know how to count by tens. Okay, what we are learning in the class, 23, then should be 33, then should be 43, Then should be 53, counting by tens, adding plus 10, and 63. So please check, can you do this? Because this is important for this strategy. Okay, so we added for tens. Now, how many ones do I need to add? 5. I jump 5 small jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and here I'm teaching just starting from 63, just count on, but move your pencil to put the dots like this. 63, 64, I mark where I'm 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68. So the answer is 68. So one more time here, you need to be able to jump with tens, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63. And then don't forget that you continue counting by ones. Just put the dot with a pencil, not to be confused, to count everything carefully. Count and write the answer. And one more example to use number line. So 65, I start with 65. How many tens do I need to add? 2. 1, 2 big jumps. Plus 10. Plus 10. Now let's count. 65, 75, 85. Okay, and then how many ones do we need to add? 8. Attention here. Some students can do like this. Jump 110 and go back 2. But not to be confused, better draw for me 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And again, we take the pencil, we count carefully. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. And then you write the answer at the end, 93. This is about number line. Now let's move to strategy number 3. Strategy number 3 is breaking apart. Okay, rule number 1, we break apart the second addend. The number 2, not the first one, but the second one. If we are breaking apart, we are drawing like this, a house, okay? So I was teaching that we break apart, you write what you say. If I say 45, I write 40 and 5. If I say 28, I write 20 and I write 8. The only exceptions were numbers like 11, 12. We discussed this and they have all the numbers in their notebooks. Okay, now, what can we do here? Now we add tens first. Okay, so 23 plus 40. 23 plus 40, okay. We may write even this, 23 plus 40. 23 plus 40. Then I teach join like this, ones and ones, tens and tens. Here we can do this. It's going to be 63. And then plus 5. So we added 40. And then add 5 plus 5. Don't forget to add plus 5. equals 85. Or we were learning that for breaking apart, we also can use number line. We also can use number line. We can start with 23. So two different ways. You choose which you like. 23, jump 40. Jump 40. And again, we use our fingers, we count 23, 33, 43, 53, 63. We count for tens, 63. And plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. And then you count and you see that this is 68. So you may do like this. Both variants, but you need to write for me, okay? Especially in the quiz, you need to write for me. How do you do this? I know that some of you can do it in your head, but I need this, okay? Now, again, what do? We add 65 plus 20. This is 85. And now 85 plus 8. Also, you may break apart. How many more you need to get 10? You may to add 5 and 3 if you want. If you remember how to do it from grade 1. So it will be 90 plus 3, it will be 93. Later, the strategies you will be using for mental math, so for counting in your head. 93, okay? So this, what does it mean breaking apart? First you add tens, then you add ones. Okay, and the last strategy is compensation. Okay, compensation. Let me write the equation for you. Let me type the equation for you, and we discuss what does it mean, because for some students it's confusing. Okay, also, I want to add 28 plus 45. So compensation, we are making a number with 0, because numbers with 0 are easier to add. Okay, now when I see numbers 28 and 45, I ask a question. What number is closer to 10? 28 is closer to 10 because 8 is very close to 10. So number 28, I need to add 2. I do plus 2. Why? To get 30, to get the number with 0. That is easier to add. If I do plus 2 with one number, I need to do minus 2 with another number. So here I will get 43. And now what I see? Now I see 30 plus 43. When I get 30 plus 43, I join tens and tens, ones and ones, and I see that this is 73. So the strategy, here 0 plus 3 is easier to add. 0 plus 3 equals 3. Than to add 8 plus 5 equals 13, okay? That's why we are making that compensation. What does it mean, compensation? Again, I take from one number, I put to another number. I take 2 from 45, I put it to 28. But we start with the question. Okay, let's do one more example. Let's do example. 37 plus 19. Okay, what number is closer to 10? Of course, 19. because here you just do +1 and you get 20. You get number with 0. If I added here +1, I take -1 from 37 and I get 36. Now 36 just +20. Okay, join. And you will get that this is 56. 56. So that means compensation. We are making the number with 0. Okay, one more trick, how to know which is the next number with 0, because again, not all the students know how to do this, okay? So let us do 39 plus, let us do 37 plus 14, okay? So again, what number is closer to 10? 37. How many do I need to add? +3. I'm adding +3. Now attention. Not all the students can say at once that this is 40. So I ask the question, what is the 10 that you see? I see 3. I see 3 10s. What is the next 10? 4. So that's why it's going to be 40. Okay? +3, here we do -3. And we have 40 plus 11 equals 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So we get 51. So this is about compensation. There will be one task in the quiz to show compensation 2 ways. What does it mean, compensation 2 ways? You need compensate the first addend, then to show how can you compensate the second addend. I will explain this in the video for the quiz. Okay, I guess that's it with strategies.